Hey there, homeowners. Today, let's dive into why solid wood furniture is a healthier choice compared to fake or engineered wood. First off, solid wood furniture is crafted from whole pieces of natural wood. This means no added chemicals or synthetic materials. On the other hand, fake wood, like particle board or MDF, is made by combining wood fibers with adhesives and resins. These adhesives often contain formaldehyde and other volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Now, why does this matter? Well, VOCs can off-gas into your home, releasing harmful chemicals into the air you breathe. Prolonged exposure to these can lead to a range of health issues, from allergies to more serious respiratory conditions. But with solid wood, you don't have this problem. It's a natural material that doesn't emit harmful chemicals. Plus, it's incredibly durable and can last for generations, reducing waste and making it a more sustainable choice. Another bonus, solid wood furniture often has that beautiful, timeless look that just can't be replicated. It's not only healthier, but also adds a touch of elegance and warmth to your living space. So next time you're shopping for furniture, consider going for solid wood. It's an investment in your health, your home, and the environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on creating a healthier home. Until next time, take care.